This is how the structure and roles behind the Unleash and the RevLab program looks like at Euphoria. The aim of this structure is simply to create clarity, transparency, autonomy, and self-management. Therefore, we use parts of the method called holacracy to structure ourselves. We use circle structures with self-managing teams instead of hierarchies. Inside a circle, there are different roles that are working together, and these are examples of roles. Each circle has its own purpose that these roles, or the roles within the circle, tries to fulfill. Each role has also very clear accountabilities that you see here. Therefore, it is very clear what each role is actually supposed to do. The work is not distributed or managed around people, but the people are managed around the work, so one person holds many different roles. And therefore, we will refer to roles instead of persons. And things changes according to what is needed, so nothing is fixed forever. Now let's take a look at how it works. This is the impact team circle, or a impact team circle. These red circles represent roles, and all roles are held by the people who work together to create an impact in their city, for example, Bern, Geneva, or Paris. The outer circle is called the RevLab circle, and in here are all the circles of different impact teams doing impacts in their city. And the goal is also to include STEP teams, who are organizing STEP into action in different cities. The roles that are placed here in the RevLab circle have the purpose to support the beautiful impacts all over Switzerland and to ensure the communication and knowledge sharing between the impact teams. Next to the RevLab circle, we have the host support circle. It consists of weekend team circles. Each weekend team organizes one of the training weekends that is happening during the year. The training weekends is where everyone from every program comes together at the same time, the same space to learn, grow, and to share. The roles here in the hosts support circle have the purpose to support the beautiful training weekends and to ensure the communication and knowledge sharing between the weekend host teams. And next to the host support circle and the RevLab support circle, there are three other circles called outreach, finance, and program support circle. These three circles work exactly the same way, so let's just take outreach as an example. The roles here in the outreach circle have the purpose to deal with the issues and questions concerning outreach, to support all roles in the impact and the weekend host teams who works within the same topic, in this case outreach. In the outreach support circle, some roles are represented by people who also hold outreach roles in their impact team or host team, and they come together here in this circle. In the outreach circle, some roles are represented by people who has external outreach knowledge or who knows a lot about how to do outreach at Euphoria. This system should enable that all outreach method questions or issues can be dealt with in this circle and not anywhere else. Lastly, all of these circles are held by the outer circle that we call the Unleash circle, with the overall purpose to develop a platform to explore and create purpose-driven, human-centered careers and institutions together. So this is how it all looks like for now. We look forward to explore and involve this system with you. And if you would like to still be part of and to support Euphoria, then no matter who you are, where you are, how much time you have or what you do, there's also a role right for you waiting to be energized by you.